Key start. So umandar na. So up. Start again. So good mga boss, matayo itong Chevrolet Silverado. Bali 2022 model. So ang issue nito tip deterrent issue. So ito yung key na so wala siyang transponder chip. Ayan. So ito yung key na dumating itong unit, ito yung key na kasama. So bali nag-request ako nung spare key nila. So ito yung dumating. So nung nag-check ako, hindi pa siya naka-program sa unit. So kailangan nating i-program to. So bali meron akong laptop with T-Line Connect. So with T-Line Connect tong unit. Bali pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung code niya. So bali ito yung spare key na kailangan natin i-program. So switch on ko. So ayan na. So may maingay lang. So tip deterrent blinking, yun na. Tapos then may naka-message dito na tip deterrent. So tip deterrent light blinking So tapos to? Yan na, connect. So hindi siya start Start ko. Wala. Ulit start. Yan na. So no click, no start tong unit. So kailangan natin i-program nitong additional key o spare key. Check natin kung mapoprogram kasi ito ay walang transponder chip. Yan, open siya. Malamang spare key nila to. Malamang nawala yung original na key nito na susi. Yan na, service tip deterrent system. So switch on ko muna. So naka-switch on. So pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung code na lumalabas. So MDI 2 ang gamit ko. Ito. Multiple diagnostic interface. Checking VIN number, so okay. Yan na. Chevrolet Silverado 2022, but sa engineering model is 2021. So enter. So magpe-perform tayo ng program or immobilizer key program. So matagal na siya mag-loading So module. Check natin sa SIM kung may code na lalabas. Pero yung immobilizer belong sa sa BCM. Ang sa SIM lang Lascom with battery sensor module, engine control module, LIN bus 1. So wala siyang code sa immobilizer. Palang sa immobilizer belong siya sa sa BCM, body control module. So check natin. So ayan na, B3060 unprogrammed transponder identification code received. So current, tapos driver window moto, calibration lang yan. Tapos ito pa 3055 no transponder modulation or no transponder. So hindi siya nakaprogram itong yung SOSE, yung key na naka So ipoprogram natin yan. So Decline Connect, SPS. So kailangan meron kayong account dito, account sa Decline Connect, account and user name, password. So loading service system. So ano na tayo dito? Follow the instruction sa screen. So ito yung bin number. So sa job card, so ano lang tayo, any number na 5 digit. So, job card number. So nalagay ako nito ng ano, 5-digit number. So any 5-digit number. Kung meron kayong job card na galing mismo sa system nyo, o sa, kasi pag nag-claim ng warranty, minsan kailangan ng job card number or may ini-issue na job card number pag nag-request ng mga piyesa. So sa akin wala, kasi galing ko sa kanila, Sparky. So dito replace and reprogram. So click next. So make sure na naka-switch on yung ignition. Yung nakalagay do, a mismatch has been detected between the bin number, model and engineering model. So doon kanina nakalagay na engineering ay 2021. So ang mangyayari dito sa immobilizer learn tayo, kasi dalawa lang pagpipilian dito eh. So yan na, immobilizer learn, so, o kaya keyless entry module, kasi wala na siyang ibang module, wala na. So doon tayo sa immobilizer learn, next. So follow lang natin yung instruction, screen instruction. So if a clear option does not match for the current, this function may be not required for the vehicle. Please select no available option in the drop box list to select back button. So hindi ko to kabisado kung ano. So ito tayo, select natin itong una, tapos next, accept. Vehicle mismo selected, please make a selection. Vehicle 1, 2022. So 2021 sa engineering when programming PIPs, equipped vehicle repair or service information transport packet. So wala naman siyang, hindi naman siya push. Please confirm that the ECU has been replaced. So no, dito nagpalit ng ECU. So kailangan dito stable na internet connection, kasi online to. So dito maraming na pagpipilian. Body control module, AMO learn with existing transponder or remote key. Body control module, AMO learn with new transponder or remote key. Engine control module learn, engine control module and body control module AMO learn. Ito tayo, program transponder or remote key. Program transponder or remote key deleted. Transponder key, diagnosis, tinatin kung wag na kasi matagal to. Dito tayo sa transponder key or remote key add. Ito. This procedure may be used with or without assisting learn key tools for present instantly. Vehicle can be learned. Please turn off all power consumption component after its ignition cycle to maintain memory function with for memory equipment vehicle for the key function. So mag-a-add tayo, additional tayo. Next. So please wait. Turn the vehicle to the power mode. So turn off. So ayan. So antay tayo ng 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes balikan ko kaya. 4 seconds na lang. 1. So antayin natin. Turn the vehicle to the power off mode, the off power mode, and remove key. Open and close driver door. Open, close. Next. So wait natin. So ito rin yung susi. Binot ko na. Turn the vehicle to the run power mode. Okay, with the transponder key shall be learned. So insert natin to. Okay. The transponder key was learned successfully. So okay. So next. Do you want to learn more key? No tayo. No. So please wait. So nawala na dito yung nawala na yung blinking light immobilizer. So okay na. So turn the vehicle to power mode and remove key. Turn the vehicle to off, remove key, open again, driver, open, close. Next. So wait, so ito pa rin yung key. So wait natin. So kailangan kasi dalawa. Dapat 2 keys yung ating program. Kaso isa lang dito. So isa lang. So yung kanyang original na key, pwede pa yung magamit. Kasi hindi naman tayo nag-delete. Nag-additional lang tayo. So turn the vehicle to the run power mode. Okay. The pressure procedure complete successfully. Next. Please check that the engine start with its transponder key. Okay, start. Key start. So umandar na. So up. Start again. So now start. Next. So exit. Next. Okay, finish. Okay. Okay na, finish na.